Not a good predicament to be in.
Way too... And a
We got to cover, guys, for the championship.
And the shoulders in. Firing off a series of blows. And a...
Elbow drop to the leg. And again. Over. Right to the... Seamlessly transitions there. And look at this. Able to get wrist lock control. Oh, trying to dislocate the shoulders here.
Total
Some attitude behind it. Two-way transition. Shoulders are down. Retains. No. Challenger kicks out.
Now.
Trap the arm. Neck. Setting up their opponent.
So much worse.
Oh, back. Forced to the outside. Even the greatest of expectations. Here we go.
Waistlock applied and...
Champ is in agony here. But the question...
Driven.
This is raw power.
Oh, my goodness. Into the power bomb.
The challenger might have what it takes to win this match.